This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making Mongolian beef using ground beef. So you need a pound of ground beef, 5 green onions diced, 5 cloves of garlic minced, a half a red bell pepper chopped. You need 3.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 5 tablespoons of water, and if you'd like, you can use 5 dried peppers. So let's get started. I serve my Mongolian beef with rice, so I'm going to start my rice first. This recipe comes together pretty quickly, so we're going to mix our sauce first. We're going to start with 3.5 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, which is optional. I'm preparing this for my son and his wife, and they like it on the sweet side. So let's mix this together. Heat 3 tablespoons of sesame seed oil on medium heat. Once the oil is heated, we're going to add our ground beef. We're going to break it down into small pieces as it cooks thoroughly. This should take about 7 minutes. Be sure to stir your meat every few minutes. Once your ground beef is cooked, add your green onions, red peppers, ginger, minced garlic, and red dried peppers. Mix all together and heat for about 3 minutes. Now stir in your sauce mixture. Serve over rice. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe.